your brand new 30-year-old cab.
There we are. So here's the 3C that we're planning to renovate. I said in one of the early videos. So I've just been out with Sam today. You've just seen that little clip of his collecting the cab. So a fella's custom made that for us. We did talk about making one, but to be honest, for the price, it's ridiculously cheap. So we've just been and collected it today. So this is what we're going to be restoring. This will be Sam's pride and joy. It's a Mark 3. You can see it needs a lot of work. So this is going to be a video series we're going to document between the pair of us. Sam's just unhitching the cab now. So yeah. How long you had this, Sam? This 3C?
19, I think.
The cab.
But like it's done, you know, I mean it's still working now, but you know, it dug all this off and dug all these post holes and everything. But we did all the floor in the forge of it as well, didn't we?
We did, yeah. Well, you did, yeah. So yeah.
Well, yeah, it takes a bit of driving as well because of all.
Yeah, it's so bloody worn out. Yeah.
But it's still.
He's got getting all the bits slowly to renovate it. So this is going to be a project, isn't it, Sam?
Oh yeah, it's going to be a project, all right.
That's neat though.
Yeah, it's certainly a good start.
It is, yeah. For the price as well.
I mean,
what was the guy's? Ainsley Tow Bars.
Ainley Tow Bars.
Ainley Tow. Anyone that's interested, like you say, he custom makes these. Look at that, rolled all the edge and everything. The only thing that's not standard on it is it was this.
It's
the rounded. Oh, here it is. Yeah, these. Yeah, squared off. These are normally like a.
We'll go over to the other one and have a look. Like,
rounded.
To the front is like it's just box section here.
Yeah.
Whereas on the.
Although it looks like he's changed it slightly. If you notice, that's been. You can see this has been welded to and then ground down.
Back, yeah.
Can't pick up in the camera, but.
But
yeah, that there is normally rounded. Yeah. It's like a formed piece.
Yeah,
it's hard to make out on camera, but you can just about tell.
But the thing is, all that's in the back of it then, I mean, I don't know if you can shove your camera in, but it's like
another formed of like rounded. Yeah, can't really see it. But.
So there's like the piece, the rounded piece on the outside, and then there's like a piece on the inside.
Yeah.
And that's it. Whereas that one's a better thing, really, because it's just a full box section,
yeah, so it's got the strength, yeah.
Because all these have is box section around there.
Saying though, tube is stronger than box, isn't it, structurally? Yeah. So maybe you can see it there. Just
so
on that
basically,
side.
what's happened with that one is the box section comes down like the inside of it, and then the screen's just welded flat to it. But
yeah, you can see. Look, there's a lot of work there. This is.
But these trap water really bad, you know, because of this feature. Like you might be able to pick it up on your camera over there. Like
yeah,
how
you can
it's got that.
Yeah, there's like a form.
No, but they condensate, fill up so bad with water, you know.
So yeah, this is what's going to be a long project. But yeah, you've collected some parts already, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got
ready for
bit of stuff.
The rest though. Should be a thing when it's done.
It's amazing what you can dig out as well when you know the right people.
Yeah.
Somebody gave me a hard time with cutting my dash in half in that one. Because to be fair, if they hadn't done that, well, maybe if we couldn't have found another one, we would have refurbed that anyway. But to just multi-tool the dash in half.
Bloody animal. Right, we'll come back in a bit.